Hello guys and welcome to tutorial 6 of Android game development. In this tutorial we're going to go over some random stuff. So first we want to random rand, and we had to import random. And what random does is basically make something random. So first we want to initialize it in here, so rand equals new random. Now we have this random variable. And how we're going to use this is when we go over here, we can do rand dot next int right here. And what this is going to do is just make a random integer. And now, we could just do this and it would go all crazy because it can go from 40,000 to 2. Or we can put 15 in here, which is going to make 15 the highest it can go. And we can do the same thing for it in here. Rand dot next int 15. You can make this 10 or whatever you want, but I'm just going to make it 15. I don't know, because I feel like it. So we're going to save and run. And this might take a while, so there we go. And then after this, I can actually tell you guys a little trick on how to make it so it doesn't take so long to load. I mean, it gets less when you use it a lot, but let's start and see how it's kind of shaking? That's because over here we made it so what it pluses is random. So it can plus this much, can plus this much, can plus that much. So it's gonna shake a lot. If we make this like 30, it's gonna just look really weird and fast. So we save and go. Wait, let's go. So now let's just click start and see, now it's all really weird. So yeah, and let's exit out of this. And what else can we do? Well, I guess we can I can teach you the thing to make it take less long. So we go to debug, and on here we go debug config. And then it should pop up. And when we want to go to target, go down here, do disable boot animation. This is going to take away that little Android thing once you get done with the first Android thing. And this is going to make it might look weird and laggy-ish. So you probably don't want this when you actually publish your application, but for while you're making it, it's nice to have because it makes it a little less. So we can do apply. We can just exit out of this. And now that we're done with that little thing, and since this is just a playing around one, how about we make it so we can make it here our rectangle. We can make for the X. We can simply put the X, and for the Y, we can put the Y according to these. So this is a pretty cool outcome. This is basically just going to make it so that the blood stain and the rectangle kind of go together. So let's see this in action. See? It's pretty cool, but how about we play around some more? I just want to show you guys that you can do anything. It's total customization. So let's minimize this. And what shall we do next? Another cool thing we can do is instead of saying green.setColor to green, we can actually make it our own by saying green dot what is it doing? Set RGB. So we're gonna actually set the RGB value at why we are getting this error, because we need to take off set color green if we're gonna do, and we can make this to a RGB. So they're gonna be alpha, red, green, blue, and we had to actually put our values. So first we can put some random number. So there, we have this random value, and it shouldn't be called green anymore, but maybe it'll be some, by chance it'll be some random kind of green. Wait. Well, let's exit out working for a second, and then, so let's do this again. I can show you that little thing. So then, once it goes through, then it does not go to that little Android booting thing. It just goes to this little laggy. It will say no service, so you had to wait here for a little bit, but now it says Android. So we can unlock this. It's preparing the SD card. And now we had to wait a little longer on here, but it's still worth it. So load our game, we can click start, and see now it's this kind of light color or blue, actually kind of like green. But since the alpha is 30, it's going to barely be showing. Alpha kind of like transparency. So then we can change that to anything. Now let's change it to like 100 so it still has good transparent. And we can change this to 100. And we can save this and run it to update it. Go back to home. Wait a few seconds. See, it's a blue color. It's a cool blue color now. Anyway, I kind of forgot. The alpha is actually the first one. So this is going to be our alpha. This is just our blue. That's why it became even more blue. So then here we can set this to like whatever you want. I guess we could set it to like 500. And then this is going to make it more normal, like not transparent. See, now it's actually a dark, proud blue. It's not see-through inside. And yeah, that's probably going to be about it for this tutorial. I had a good time. Hope you did too. But wait, one second. And another thing is, what else should we talk about? Well, I don't know. You guys are great, and if you guys want to be even awesomer, then subscribe, like, comment. Anything would really help me out. So, if you're feeling in a generous mood right now, then I hope you're in the generous mood, 'cause this is just awesome, and you guys are the best part. So, that's about it, and bye. You guys are awesome.